Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to verify your account on the Bet365 app on mobile. And so if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel, and let's just get into it. So in this video I'm using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on the Android app. And basically I'm on the Bet365 application right now, and in the top right there is the sort of avatar icon. Click in there, and then it says My Account in the middle right hand section. Click in there. And then basically go down to the second last tab, the verification tab. Click in there, and what you need to do is scroll down, and in one of the previous videos I showed you how to sign up and create your Bet365 account and also access the new open account offer, the sign up bonus code. And basically it says if you actually want to receive your £50 in free bets credited to your account, you have to provide 2 additional forms of verification to actually secure your account. So the additional verifications, this section at the bottom right here, it says you can upload a driving license, an ID card, a passport, a residency permit, or even a postal verification code. So I have my passport and my driving license here, and what I'm going to do is basically show you how to upload the passport picture. You can come to press upload identity document, press in there, and then from there press passport, scroll down, and this is the start verification process. You need to actually press the tick box. It says I consent to Jumio collecting, processing and sharing my personal information. If you're happy with that, select the tick box and then press the green button start. From there it asks how we're going to actually upload the file. You can either take the photo right now when you're using your mobile phone, or you can actually upload the file. Because I've taken a picture of my passport previously, I'm going to press upload file. And then from there, press choose file, photo library. And in the top right, that's the picture of my passport. So I'm going to select that and then press done. And make sure that everything is correct. You've checked the photo. You can see all of the different sections of the ID. And then I'm going to press complete. It's just checking the image quality. And now it says verification, your document has been successfully received. We aim to review your documents within 15 minutes, although during busy periods, this may take longer. Then press continue. And basically from there, if you actually wanted to submit a postal verification code, your PVC, come down to the last section, the last button, postal verification. And then what you need to do is wait for a letter from Bet365, because when you first created your account, Bet365 asked for your home address so that they can actually send you letters and correspondence in the future. And in one of the letters that you're going to get from Bet365, it will have a verification code inside the letter. You can take the letter, read the verification code, take that code and submit it in this box right here, and then press submit. And that will link your account with the correct address, your correct home address, and just safely secure everything. So guys, this has been another video on the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.